Here's a list of 100 basic English versus fast English examples. Common contractions and reductions. 1. What are you doing? What you doing? 2. I do not know. Dunno. 3. Let me help you. Let me help ya. 4. I am going to call him. I'm going to call him. 5. Do you want to come with me? Want to come with me? 6. I have got to go now. Got to go now. 7. What do you mean? What do you mean? 8. Did you eat? 9. Give me some water. Give me some water. 10. I don't know. Dunno. Casual reductions in sentences. 11. I am going to the store. I'm going to go to the store. 12. I want to eat something. I want to eat something. 13. She has got to leave soon. She's got to leave soon. 14. He does not want to go. He don't want to go. 15. I will meet you later. I'll meet you later. 16. What do you think? What do you think, teen? It is up to you. 18. Let us go outside. Let's go outside. 19. I should have called you. I should have called you. 20. I would have helped you. I would have helped ya. Everyday conversations. 21. I am tired. What are you talking about? What you talking about? 23. Did you get my message? Do you get my message? 24. What is going on? What's up? 25. Are you coming with me? You coming with? I do not care. I don't care. 27. It is none of your business. Ain't your business. Do not worry about it. Don't worry about it. 29. I am just kidding. I'm just kidding. 30. Give me a second. Give me a sec. Fast English in questions. 31. Did you do it? Do you do it? 32. Are you going? You going? 33. Where did you go? Where'd you go? Do you need help? Need help. Did you like the food? You like the food? Can I help you? Can I help ya? 37. How did it happen? How'd it happen? 38. Have you seen it? You seen it? Are you ready? You ready? 40. What are we doing? What we doing? Fast English in commands. 40 down. Sit down. Come here. Come here. Go away. Go away. Hurry up. Hurry. 40. Shut up. Shut up. Let's go. Let's go. 47. Wait a minute. 48. Look at that. Look at that. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Hand me that. Give me that. Fast English in responses. 51. I do not know. Dunno. 52. I am not sure. Not sure. I do not think so. I have no idea. No idea. 55. I think so. Think so. That is right. That's right. 57. Not at all. Not all. 58. That is okay. 59. Do not mention it. Don't mention it. You are welcome. You're welcome. Fast English in casual conversations. 61. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? 62. Can I come over? Can I come over? What are you looking at? What you looking at? 64. I cannot believe it. Can't believe it. What is that? What's that? 60s. Do you have a pen? Got a pen? It does not matter. Don't matter. Give it to me. Give me it. That is too bad. That's too bad. Can you believe that? More common reductions. 71. What is the matter? What's the matter? 72. I am not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. She will be back soon. She'll be back soon. It is kind of weird. Kind of weird. I sort of like it. Sort of like it. 76. Give me a break. Give me a break. It is none of my business. Ain't my business. 78. I have gotta go. Gotta go. What did you say? What do you say? Do you want some? You want some? Natural speech patterns. I am about to leave. 82. I would have told you. I would have told ya. I should have known. I should have known. 84. He has to go now. He has to go now. That is amazing. She is going to the mall. She is going to the mall. She's going to go to the mall. Do not be late. Don't be late. Tell him I said hi. Tell him I said hi. 89. You should have been there. You should have been there. It was a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. Slang and shortened forms. 91. Are you okay? You good? 92. I will see you later. See you later. What are you up to? What you up to? Do not even think about it. Don't even think about it. I do not want it. I don't want it. 96. That is interesting. That's interesting. She will call you back. She'll call you back. 98. I am going home. I'm going home. 99. I am feeling tired. I'm feeling tired. 100. You should not do that. You shouldn't do that. Would you like more examples or explanations? If you like this kind of video, comment yes below. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.